Hey, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, we're going to go down to Missouri and crew for my buddy Dusty at his first actual rally event. So come along. Yeah, Jason and I, we drove down last night. Got here, the place we're staying is kind of wild. I'll maybe see if I got time to show you guys some more of that later. But we're crewing for my buddy Dusty today. Him and Robert, his brother, friends of mine, they work down at Rally Ready. They've been building this H6 car for a while. They've been doing a lot of the rally sprints down there and everything. But they actually are ready to do an event. So we drove up to Missouri. He's crewed for me enough in the past. I told him, you know, I'll come down and crew. So Jason and I, he's getting some stuff over on the truck, or loaded over. I'm gonna go get checked in and get all set up for the day. What do you think, Jason?
I'm psyched, man. We're back on rallying. And this is a new one, different, well, new to me. I haven't been to this one yet, so I'm pretty excited to get after it. One day event, it'll be kind of cool. And the scenery around here is just fantastic. So, see what Dusty can do.
It's a one-day event, 2 services, at least I think, according to what I read. But we're gonna go get checked in and set up and pick back up with you guys. Yeah, so we're all at service. I got Dusty's car here and everything like that. He had some troubles this morning, it didn't want to start. I think he's done very little cold start tuning. You excited?
Yeah, I'm excited. Nervous, but excited. I think it's going to be good. It's very fast, so we'll see. Try to keep it on the road.
This is a very, very fast rally. I was telling him a lot of first-timers can get caught out, so just neat and tidy is the goal today. No drift back stuff, no drift Subaru stuff.
Tidy, just make 4 wheels. I've set up my diff map like a lot better now, so it should react the way I want it and actually have traction. This actually seems way grippier than the stuff I'm used to, so.
Okay.
Like.
We always used to say rubber side down, but their new thing is pretzel side up. Good luck today, bub.
Hell yeah. Thanks.
Hey, so we're back. Just got done with service. We just did a live and stuff like that. Car overall is performing great. No real issues except for maybe lost a rock scraper, so the rear calipers are looking a little scary, but I didn't run a rock scraper for many years, and I was fine until like my 10th rally. This will be fine.
If it wasn't so dry, it would be a little better.
Yeah.
But I think it'll be fine. I mean, it is dry, which is also a good thing because the mud and rocks are flying out from underneath and out of the rims because there wasn't much junk to scrape out, so I think they'll be fine.
Yeah. Otherwise, the car's going pretty good. Dusty thinks he's down on power a little bit, but first service done. Having fun, Dusty?
Yeah, actually, it's been a lot of fun. First stage, it started out like it's nice and easy, get a feel for everything, especially with it's not back at home, you know. So, took it a little easy, and then the next stage, we started to pick it up, and then we were really ready, and then we had to pass on doing, everybody transited stage 3, so that kind of sucked, because I kind of wanted to redo that stage, because it was a lot of fun once we were actually at pace on it. And then stage 4, we really started partying. That was very fast, and it's good, really good.
So why did you have to transit the stage?
Because the farmers went onto the stage because we were scaring the animals.
I've heard of a lot of reasons to transit stage. That's the first time for that one.
Definitely.
You got 2 stages till next service.
Yep.
And you haven't ran these stages yet?
Have not ran these stages. I know that it's a very long, tight, technical stage. It's the same one, we run it twice.
Okay. Did you do the tarmac stage?
No, we actually, so I got a little confused on the order, but we did the stages 1 and 2, and then they're also 3, 4. Yeah, so then next set of stages is the ones up north there, and those are just the same, like one stage. The transit's really long on that one, back to itself, and then pretty long, like decent coming back too, but hopefully it'll go well. It's tight and technical, so I won't be as worried about I only have so much top end, you know. It's still like a pig, if you will, but Yeah, I think Titan Technical should be good.
Oh, yeah,
Just gotta,
How's your time skills?
Terrible. No, it's to call notes. I didn't know I had to do time stuff.
Okay.
it's good. I'm good at math.
He texted me and he's like, yeah, we'll be in at 1:50. And I looked at the time and I'm like, yeah, that's wrong. And then he texted me like 10 minutes later, no, 1:45. I'm like, yeah, that sounds about right. Good job, bud. How are your notes calling going? Get lost?
Good. No, it didn't get lost.
Yeah, that's what's up.
Yeah, we just had like one issue where he picked up a lot of time, so it was a lot faster. So I had to call my notes a little bit quicker. So that's just one thing he wanted to gripe on. But other than that, it was pretty good and fast.
Hell yeah. Well, we'll check out with these boys when we get back for the next service.
Trying to figure out where it is, and I'm sorry.
Keep talking, it makes you feel good.
What the heck?
Keep talking, it makes you feel
Okay,
good.
right 5 into crest, 50, I believe. Right 5 crest, 70, left. This might be your left 3. Yeah, crest, 50, left 3, double caution 2. Yep, this is the off-camber. Cool. Into right 4, caution down, crest, bridge, don't. Okay, that's good, right?
Oh, that was great. That was other than, the notes, but.
Yep, got him out.
Guys are back here in service right now. We just got done rotating the tires and everything. Dusty's doing some tuning here. How was this loop of stages, bud?
This Super Stages was a lot of fun. Yeah, little sketchy because Robert lost his place a little bit, so first time we ran it, I was entirely just driving what I could see, and we got a little spicy. The GoPros worked though, so
we got footage.
It catches the spicy moment we had, and unfortunately, I did not plug in the comms for the first one that has like a really funny comment in it, and I'm kind of disappointed about that. But I did plug it in for the second one.
Okay.
But yeah, basically, there's this really sketchy off-camber corner that comes in, like when you're going really hot, and on the back of it, or like outside of this corner, is a really big ditch, bad big ditch. And Robert lost his nose. He's like, "I think this is your bank one. I think this is your bank one." And I'm just like, just keep saying stuff. I like it. Well, no, I actually said that one the next time, but he fucking. Finally, we found the corner. I'm in the corners of just like four-wheel sliding towards falling off this, like, into this ditch. And he's like, "This is your big corner." I was like, "Thanks for the note." Downshift to first and fucking gave her all she got. It was funny. It was really funny.
No, he said he didn't hook up.
Yeah, I didn't have the comms part of it. You might hear it a little bit,
Okay.
though.
Okay. Hi.
Hey, Robert.
Hi.
How'd you do this time?
Better the second time. Very bad the first time.
It happens. Ask Derek how we know. One thing I do when we get lost is I'll be like left 4, like as I'm driving.
Yeah.
So that way he can kind of look and be like, okay, you know.
That could have helped.
I think that works a little bit easier because he might be reading and they're like, Yeah, overall, this is the end of our service. They got quite a bit of time. Car was pretty flawless. Jason.
All's well. Dusty's doing a great job. Robert's keeping him on track, so I've heard. Just giving Robert crap. These guys are doing great. All fluids are good. We did a little rotate on the tires to make sure things are going good for them. But these guys are just tearing it up here on their rally, so it's awesome. Not giving us much to do, and I'm okay with that.
They have a pretty good battle going on between 5th and 6th overall. They're currently in 5th. 6th place is, I think, 5 seconds behind them. So, you know, clean and tidy. Just keep doing what you guys are doing. And yeah, they got night stages, so that'll be. You guys have never done night stages, have you? Oh, make sure that comm is plugged in.
Mechanical daylight.
That's where we're gonna stop right now, and we'll pick back up with you guys when we're at the podium awards.
4, 3, 2, 1, go. 50, right 5, into left 5. Right 5, into left 5, 70. Left 4, into right 4, don't, long. 30, right 4, 30. Left 4, tightens 3. Left 4, tightens 3. Into right 5. Into right 3, 30. Right 4, tightens 3. Chicane ahead. 90. Right 4, tightens 3, 30. Left 3. Left 3, up ahead. Into right 3. Left 4. Left 3.
Can't fucking see anything.
I know.
Just fit. Dude, I was catching you.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Right 4, 30, left 4, 20. Left 4, 20. Left 3, into right 4, 20, crest. 50 crest, 30, left 4, 20 crest, left 4, right 3, 20, right 2, into left 3. 20, left 4, 50, right 4, tightens 3. Yep, right 4, tightens 3, 30, left 4, 30, left 4, 30, left 5, 50. And that's all we got, baby. Nice. Sorry about that. I definitely missed the corner. I thought I did before, and obviously I still did.
So we're all done for the day. Dusty and Robert ended up getting 4th overall and 2nd in class. They did really, really good on the night stages. Probably the best stages they ran all day, honestly. They were putting in really good times. And yeah, so now we just got to wait for the podium. Good job, Dusty.
Yeah, thank you.
Good job, Robert.
He did good on everything but 5 and 6.
And you did math.
Yeah, he does. Yeah.
Sounds like the night stages.
Honestly, it's crazy that like the most nervous part of the day that I was like those were what I was worried about, and those are what I did the best on. I think it's just awesome. I liked it. I liked it a lot. I was nervous. The lights worked better than I could have expected, so I was very happy with how everything turned out. Even though the first night stage was like almost entirely blind with like a 1 minute window versus like a extra minute for dust. So it's pretty good.
Oh yeah, dude.
Hell yeah.
Oh yeah, dude. So now we gotta convince them to do LSPR.
Yep.
The second in is for Turkey and Judge.
It's upside down.
And first. All right, now moving on.